Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to see who is using your hotspot on iPhone and how we can find it. So for example, if you have already turned on the hotspot and if you find how many devices connected or it's using, this is what we have to do. So the first thing, in my case, I've already turned it off the hotspot. If I go over here, you can see this. If I go to the settings and if I go to the personal hotspot, you can see it is already turned on. And on my other device I have already connected. So I'm having one more iPhone over here. In my case it says it's already connected. So after connecting your iPhone, and if you wanted to know whether how many people is using it, what you need to do is you just need to go over here and make sure one more thing that is all about. You can know that you'll not be able to know how many, the name of the devices, but you'll be able to know how many people are using a hotspot. So to find it, what you need to do is you have to go over here like this. Now from here you have to just press and hold like this. Now from here under the personal hotspot it says one connection, which means on the other iPhone, in my case it's connected to it, so it says one connection. So if any one of your friend or any colleague is randomly using your internet or cellular data, you'll be able to see this. If there's multiple, for example 2 or 3, it says 2 connections. If it's a 3 one, it will be say 3 connections, and from here you will be able to find it. So if you wanted to change the password, you can change it so that no one will not be able to use it, and this is how we can say this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.